Okay, so here is a web app called Portant. First of all, you're going to want to sign up. I'm going to log in. And here's what I have so far for my 2 workflows that I've used. So you can see here, it'll be able to generate 100 documents or emails or whatever in every month. So with a class of 25, this could be an email a week for 4 weeks. So if I go into my Unit 2, you can see a data source. So I've got my public facing uh, public pacing tracker, and the next step that it makes is to generate this email. So I'll open this up first. And on the right here, there are tags. So these tags are generated by the data that's in this sheet. So in the to field, I'm writing to the caregiver email, and the subject is student's name, math progress report. And so I've written an email where everything that pertains to students, instead of we or students or they or your child, I've been able to put student name, and that'll personalize this email to every parent. So then I've got things like their next steps or their status or what their pace is like, and when the on-pace lesson, which on-pace lesson is, and when it's due. And when I've formulated this one email, then I click back here, I click Start Automation, and it will gather the data from this sheet, create an email, and send out emails for all of my parents. Right. So let's go through setting up a new workflow. So I'd add a new workflow, change the color, change the name, create it. Choose something to start it with. So I'm going to start it with a Google Sheet. And rather than create, I'm going to select from my Google Drive into my recents, check off that public pacing tracker. I want to be using this sheet, my email. Okay, that's great. Now, next thing I want to do is send an email to the to status. I would find caregiver email. Subject line, I would give student name, math update. And then in my hello, I can write caregiver name, and that makes them receive a personalized email with their name. This is to update you. Instead of writing your child, I get to write student name. And I continue writing my email. Any information that I want to give specific, I just use a tag, and then I click save. Once this is saved, I can go back here, and this is my workflow. That is all that I need. When I'm ready here, I would just create start. I click start automation. That's all there is to it. So that's Portant. I really hope that you get some good use out of it. It has revolutionized my parent communication, and things are I only have to communicate about pacing. I'm communicating about effort, and I'm not sharing any subjective views about what the kids are doing. It's just, this is where they should be, this is where they are, and conversations have been really nice. So good luck with Portant. There's lots of stuff on YouTube and on Portant's website itself that can help you out as well.